Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
Question: how many club are you? How many meeting are you? Some of them, they're in a meeting, they pay every day 20K. Some a month 100,000, and they will never fail one day. Have they ever called you one day they arrest any of your family member just because he or she could not meet up for their meeting? Don't you know that every meetings in Nigeria, they are registered with the police? You don't know? They register their meetings with the police. Have you had one day your family members back in Africa was arrested because they did not meet up with their meeting money? Who is not fully who? They are managing, they will build first house. They are managing, they will build second house. But you that is the ATM machine, you that is the printing machine, some of you don't even have 50 by 100. Who is fully who? And on top of all this nonsense, they will still be controlling you on top of your money. They will be commanding you. It is an insult to your personality. Take it or you leave it, because at least you live in a diaspora. You live in an advanced country. Do you understand? You live in the advanced country. It might even be that it is you that is in advanced country. It might even be that it is you that is even more learned than the rest of them. Can you imagine this insult upon injury? And then we start controlling you on top of your own money. Stop that nonsense. It's either now or never. I'm telling you. We are not telling you not to help them, but set your goals. Learn to say no. Stop it. The only €100 you have, just for you and your children, you will rather starve your children. You will rather go and cook rubbish, macaroni with red oil for your own children, your precious gold, your golden children, your diamond children, just to please somebody that is beleke you here in Africa? Are you kidding me? You want to please somebody that is in one mama in the best pepper soup joint, drinking pepper soup and using cold alcohol to step down. But you here will start cooking junky food for your children. You will cook macaroni with red oil for your child. Are you kidding me? Stop it. Stop it. You can't finish it. Stop it. It is not wickedness. It is the reality. It is the reality of life. Who will be with you when the going gets tougher are your children? They will even sell you out to ungrateful family members. They are everywhere. They are everywhere. They are everywhere. No family, they don't have them. No family, they don't have them. Some of you today, you have become their slave to that extent that you don't even have a life. They don't even want some of you to get married just because of their own selfish interest. Some of you today, you are living your relationship just because of your so-called miserable family members back in Africa. Permit me to use this word. But while they are with their own husband, think about your life, my brothers in diaspora. Think about your life, my sisters in diaspora. Wake up from your sleep. Wake up. Wake up. Enogi agbomu on agbonti o mercy. Wa uma agbomare ti mu we uhi on edan. Once they are still able to be doing you come and buy, they will be singing praises to you. You are the best. You are this. You are that. Because they are using you to feed their own pockets. Yes. They are using using you to fill their own drums. Egbama garagbona Egbama agare life. You can't spend 200 euro for your children for their shopping. To you, it's too expensive. But you can give them more than 1,000 euro plus. And still, they are not going to value it. And again, I want to use this opportunity to beg all the diaspora people. People living in abroad, please, I want you to start telling them the real truth. It's very important. For those of you calling some of your family members, making them to believe that everything in abroad is free, stop it. You are the one causing big problem to yourself. Even if you don't have documents, it is the government that is caring for you. Darling, it is not free. Remember, if you have 3 children per child, government have calculated the money. Do you understand? The money your child will feed with in a month, they have calculated it. I think per child is 30 euro per week. So that 30 euro, the government will times it by 4 weeks. Then they will give you, if it is 3 children, that's how they are going to calculate it. Every money they put in your account, whether you're a single mother, you are working, you are not working, the government is taking care of you. There is nothing free. This is how they are going to calculate it. Your house rent, if it is 700 euro, if it is 500 euro, depends the amount of your rent. The government will calculate it. They are not going to add even 1 cent extra on top. Never. Do you understand? Even the tickets your children you are going to buy for your children to enter train to school, monthly tickets, they have calculated all these things in it. Maybe at the end of the day, the government push a sum of 2,000 euro into your account. Maybe your house rent alone is already 500 euro. You are going to transfer 500 to the owner of the house. Remaining 15. Your electricity bills, maybe it's 200, 100 euro, depends how you use it. You are going to pay 200. How much is remaining? 13. Your internet. If there are some people they pay 100, some people pay 200. Depends the gigabytes and the megabytes and everything. If it is 200, you remove it. Remaining what? 1. Your children, your 3 children monthly ticket. That one alone, 300 euro is gone. Your phone, you carry it on contracts. There are people they collect 100 euro in their accounts every month, or 80 euro, 70 euro, depends on the agreement. It's gone. At the end of the day, you are left with nothing. Maybe you are not left with 300 euro. That is what you are going to manage for you and your children throughout the month. So some of you that is calling, I don't know, you call some of your family member in Africa, you just want to feel hurry, you want to feel you have arrived, you start lying. Stop it. You are endangering your life. Because you make them to believe everything is on a platter of gold. And which is not true. Whether you are working, you are not working. Let's be honest, my people. Some of you should stop that nonsense. You are the one causing this big problem to yourself. And once they start taxing you, they start drawing your hands and legs, some of you will be crying. You will be complaining, oh, my family is pressurizing you. Why would they not pressurize you? When you made them to believe that 2,000 euro, that 3,000 euro every month the government is giving to you, that it is free of charge. And you know that in North Africa, here we go. Once you told that every month you are receiving 3,000 euro for the government, every corner you go in Nigeria now is like, oh, children money, that is what is raining in Benin City. That is what is raining in Edo land. But you are the problem. You are not telling them the real truth. Start telling them the real truth. Tell them the bitter truth so that you can be free. Because when you told them you get 3,000 euro every month, they will convert it there. They will hold calculator. They will just hold calculator. They will convert it. 1 million every month. And that is why you see that they keep on pressurizing some of you. They keep on taxing and asking and demanding and demanding. Tell them the real truth. Tell them what it is. God bless you. God bless you, Sagari. Stop it. Whether some of you is doing it to mommy raise. Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, mommy. Good afternoon, my beautiful country gift. Good afternoon, mommy. Longest time country gift. Where have you been? Did you travel? Happy Sunday to you, everybody. So the truth be told, my people, tell them the bitter truth. Make them to understand whether you are a single mother, whether you are under government, whether you are working, whether you are not working, every money that the government are giving to you, they are collecting it back. They take it back. Like some of you today that your children are using reading glass. The reading glass. Or maybe your children, they wear glass. If it is time for that your child to change the glass, the government, they don't pay the complete money. You and I, we know. Even to America, they don't pay that complete money. They are going to pay half of the money. And you, the mother, you are going to pay the other half of the money. Do you understand? Before they will give your child the glass. So why is this lying up and down, living a fizzy life? I don't know what you stand to gain. And this is why you guys, you are causing more problems to yourself. You are giving them that opportunity to start stressing you. Why will you be lying? As long as abroad is concerned, down to America, there is nothing free. Nothing is free, not even your urine. What makes you think your urine is free? The urine will urinate inside the toilet. As long as advanced country is concerned, you have to pay for it. So some of you that is still doing this nonsense, stop it. Because by the time your family will come after you, they will start pressurizing you. You will be losing strength. But you forgot that you caused that nonsense to yourself. Desa, what do you stand to gain? Oh, really? Do you know that the topic I did last week, my people? I received a lot of calls. Most of the calls were from Bongo, from Nigeria. They said that they come across my topic. It's so interesting, this, that. And a lot of them, almost all of them that called me, they said the same thing. Do you understand, people? They said the same thing. They said that they did not know it is the way some of our people here in Western world, in diaspora, the way when you call them back home in Africa, the way then that when some of them will call, they will say that everything in Europe, everything is free. How? I don't get it. Where you got more, in short, you got more or say 20 million. I was able to enlighten some of them. I made them to understand that even to America, Canada, there is no country that when you convert one child money, it will give you 1 million naira. Not to talk of 20 million. That's nonsense. I said there is no country that do that shit. Even if you have 3 children, where you convert a naira is still not up to 1 million naira. Okay? How much, like Jamie, how much do they pay per a child? They gave some 150, they gave some people 300 per a child. Okay, 2 children is 600. When you convert 600 euros, is it up to 1 million naira? Hey, no. Hey, no. So, what are we not talking about? The person gave birth to billions of children. No, here now have 20 million and convert a naira. So, some of you learn to also discipline yourself. Very important. So that the equation will be balanced. Do you understand? I was able to enlighten some of them like, this is how it goes. Even those that you think the government that is raining everywhere in Africa, like, oh, the government is carrying this, that. I say, the government still take back their money. Ebo, dweki neje. Dweki neje. White people don't invest on what they are not going to benefit from it. Never. They gave it back to them. So I was able to enlighten some of them. They not get to understand and say, it's in my so my ma. They didn't say it this way. All they could tell us on phone is always a government here, mana emi ogo wano ogwanishena o wano a government o wa mweme o awa ye vio bae akele we go bae. I say, you see, I say it's wrong of you people from diaspora. If you are the person doing that, quit from it. It's really wrong of you. Learn to tell people the way the things are. Tell them the truth. Tell them the way it is. Make them to understand. The money they are giving you, they still collect it. If they give you 1,105 into your account a month, after removing your house rent, buy your children ticket, even the money you are going to make shopping to buy clothes for your children is inside that 1,500. The government of the country you are living, they calculated everything together and before they push it into your account. So what is this bragado all about? Why? Why the lie? So haven't we said that? Let's go on, my people. Then, another thing is, if you are in diaspora, I beg of you, set your goals. Make your children, your wife, your husband, your priority. Because some of you today, you are the first daughter. Some of you today, you are above 40 years. You are still boyfriendy of a thing. Your younger siblings, they are all happily married, living in their house. They are living with their husbands. They are living with their wives. Isn't it? But what happens to you? You have been sponsoring, you sponsor your elder brother, your elder family member, whatever they are to you, how they related to you, you sponsor their marriage. Both the traditional marriage, white wedding, the cows, everything, it was on you. The other one came, it was you. The other one, children graduated, it was you. From zero to university, master degree, PhD, ask yourself, when are you going to marry? Because some of them have not seen it as a business on top of your head. They have not turned your enemy to that is yana miwa. Ogiwa una enemy yana miwa enwe. They can't give una enwe way. They can't give some of una ram sense. They collect the real sense when God be give una yana miwa. They can't give una ram. Okay, ram. Then they can't give una. When are you going to marry? No girl you have ever introduced to your family member that is good. Emma, all the girls you have dated since you've been in Europe, I don't know my mom. If it's not a witch, it's a mommy water. If it's not a mommy water, water. There is a revelation that came. Our pastor said that if you marry this girl, you will just die. You will not live. That one will go. Just because of their selfish interest. Now what me just because of that euro, all of them, they have become liar. They have become visionaire. They have become prophetess and prophets. And they waka for you. Now they go tie many of na picture today. They don't go tie for Shirai. Everything they told you people, that is what you hear. They don't use una tongue to emino gunta with maton or he said. They don't go mark for their tongue. Here what your phone, here what you want. Okay, no. When you people did not send them that money, talk and believe. They don't carry on a picture, go type for Shirai. Be careful, warrior way. Happy Sunday, Mommy Tina. Edobo. How are you, ma? Good afternoon, ma. Warrior way, be prayerful. Be prayerful. If you don't want to know the length your siblings can go You don't understand. Many of you did not understand. That is why when I look at some of you today, I shake my head. Some of you today, you don't even know Jesus. Some of you today, you don't even know Babalawo. All you do, and you are in a diaspora world, You are in an advanced country. My dear, if you don't know how to be prayerful now, you need to start kabashi. Anywhere your family member have turned you to a goat, they have turned you to sacrificial lamb, they have turned you, they have offered you spiritually as a sacrifice to the family. Father, I lose my spirit. Father, I disconnect right now. Father, I release your fire. Let your fire scatter the Shirai. My dear, it is hard time many of you start doing fasting and prayer for your own head. You won't understand. You won't understand. Because of their selfish interests. I want to tell you this. If you know you are in diaspora, if you don't go to church, you better start going to Babalawo. What did I say? Start working for yourself. You see them there that is forming prophetess. They are forming pastor. Whenever you are fall with them. Now scam. What did I say? It is scam. Now scam. They scam you. No native doctor Shirai when their leg, no. Just because of your matter, they want to control your spirit. They want to control your spirit. They want to buy your spirit. I mean, wananamie. Even me that is talking now, it did my body. But I said, you are in this diaspora. You don't go to church. You are not a prayerful somebody. And you don't even have more than 30 native doctor you call. Not trying. I don't pretend though. Because the very day you leave Nigeria, that is the day you are all a target to them. Take it or you leave it. The very day you leave Nigeria, that's your family members, that's your relative, that's your sibling you think you used to know. Sorry, a euro kana, a dollars, a pounds, a euro, forget it. Senior, Senior, you no longer know them. They become Jezebel overnight. They will become Jezebel overnight. Because you are now their ATM machine. All their children's graduation is on top of your head. All their children, great-grandchildren, ancestors, marriage, fulfillment, bills, anything that got to do with financial aspect, it is now on you. That is the way they see you. It is you that still seeing them. It's my family member. It's you that see them. But today, that's not the way they see us anymore. They see us like Jesus Christ. Happy Sunday, my beautiful birthday, Caroline. Good afternoon. Hey, Joe, Kitty, how are you? Amaruji. Happy Sunday, my beautiful queen. If they can't use you, they will want to bring you down. Exactly. Truth be told, my people. Truth be told. Truth be told. Make sure once in a week, break egg for their head. What did I say? Take it with your left hand. Yeah, I can be. Eke nana mueke baba. That have taken my name to native doctor. If you are the type that don't know how to pray to Kabash, that take me to native doctor simply because I refuse. I want to live my life right now. Hey, as I use this thing to pray, make sure you go to Tiri Jesho. Make sure you use left hand. Break it with your angry spirit and don't look back. Go home. We are very 12 o'clock. Those people. Uma wegbe gajo. Hey, ama wegbe gajo. Uma wegbe gajo. And the funniest part, they are going to use Bible to deceive you. Yes, so here quote Bible say they will be using Bible to be scamming you. That is why my grandmother always tell me one thing where I am with Bible you can't deceive me with Bible. Usabori Bible me. I can't man. Before you see mocking don't see you. We are siblings, so we are family members. I have a good job. Just because of Europe money, they have become wolf. They have set their hearts to demon. They have become a monster. All they cares is how to suck you till you go nothing. Yeah, abroad money don't make many siblings turn to monsters. Of course, evil mothers, evil fathers. Era Mariama, Ije Mariama, Pale Euro. Ekwe bonarena, okwe bonarena, Ije Mariama, ete Marieta, Pale Euro. Some of you today, you don't have a secret anymore. There is nothing called privacy in your life anymore. It is not normal. I am here to tell you, my brother, my sister in diaspora, you are free. You are free from every bondage. It is not normal. That is not love. Your soul will be kept somewhere. There is a pot. They place your picture. They cover it. Without you taking permission from there, you cannot live your life. That is an insult to your personality. How can you be living in an advanced country? Somebody in Africa will still be dictating your life for you. How can you be living in an advanced country? Someone that did not go to school will still be controlling your money for you. Will still be telling you how you should live your life. Hey, not be your head, oh. Not be my head, oh. Anything where Satan they plan, not be my head, oh. I say, not be your head, oh, my people. No be my head, eh. Anything where Satan they plan, not be your head, oh. I say, return to sender, ha ha. Return to sender, ha ha ha. Return to sender. I say, return to sender. You won't understand. Many of you does not understand this topic, but a lot of people understand this topic very well. They know it better, but some of you might not understand. Except you are connected with your spirit, you will understand it better. I say it is hard time for you to wake up every 12 o'clock. If you are the type that can pray, wake up at 12 o'clock naked. Don't wear pants, don't wear anything, don't wear your bra. I want you to remain the way God creates you. I want you to raise up your hand. 12 o'clock midnight. Wake up and say, my Father, my Creator, this is the way I am the day you created me. I came to this world nakedness. Baba, since I've been in Europe, my family members, any family members that have caged my soul, that have told me to run, that have told me to gut, that they want to install my money, that I cannot work for myself, that I cannot serve my children, that I cannot serve myself. All my money, I have to be giving it to them out of my own way. Baba, let there be fire. Let there be demarcation. Father, separate us. Father, separate us. I disconnect my spirit. Any shrine, any native doctor shrine, any, my dear, any altar, any prophet or prophetess altar, they have nailed my picture. They have tied my picture. As I begin to pray now, Father, make them to roam out. I say, release madness upon them. My dear, you don't understand. Many of you in diaspora, you don't understand what those people have been doing with your life. You don't want to know what they have been doing with your picture. You don't want to know where your picture have traveled far. Some of you, your picture have been dumped into the ocean just because of selfish interest. Hallelujah. You won't understand. You won't understand, my people. You won't understand, my people. You won't understand, my people. Guys, exactly, my sister. You are very right. So abroad money makes simply stone monster. God bless you, my dear sister. Mother, we even have preferred children. Of course, among their children. Of course, mommy. Of course. This year, all the diaspora people, you are going to be free. You are going to be free from every bondage without you taking any permission from anybody. If they refuse to leave you alone, they will die. If they refuse to leave us alone, they will die. We will sponsor their burial. We will sponsor their burial because destinies are different. Do you know many of you today, the risk you took? Many of you were raped. We are trying to come to Europe. Many of you were raped. Many of you, your boat capsized. Many of you, evil fish eat some of your feet. Evil fish eat your finger. Any family member from my father, from my mother's side, that says that they want to trouble me, may heaven and earth trouble them. May the ground stand as a judgment against their feet. The leg and the soil they stand upon, may it become a judgment unto them, because we stand our head face up. Our leg is on the soil. May heaven kiss their earth. If they use water to drink, if they eat the food that be cooked with water, may instant death strike them. It is hard time diaspora people need to be free. We need freedom. It is now or never. We need freedom. It is a serious matter. Now then condemnative doctor pass and now then they go to of course now. All those things they will tell you. Yes, I understand this topic very well. Look at the amount of you for this powerful message. You are blessed, my sister. God bless you, my people. We that are here, we all need to be connected in the spirit. Do you know what? God does not work with multitude. I want you to understand this. Salvation is personal. Do you understand? So God in heaven, the ancestors of my forefather, they don't need multitude to work. God does not work that way. We don't need God don't need multitude to work. My people, we are connecting in spirit. Yeah, evolve symbols. We all are connecting in spirit, and we are freeing ourselves. Every 12 o'clock midnight, naked yourself. What did I say? Naked. Do not wear clothes. What did I say? If you know you are in diaspora, every 12 o'clock in the night, this message is mine. Wow! You see? What God cannot do does not exist. You see, I am so happy. Even if it's one person, two persons, that this message belongs to them, at least now they will know how to tackle their attacker. This is what we call attack your attackers. My dear, there is no compromise. Your own mother can be your attacker. Your own husband can be your attacker. So long you not live in a Western world. For me, I don't care. Everybody around me is a suspect. Yes, oh. I don't care how you call it, how you say it. It's your damn business. But everyone around me, you are a suspect. So I don't know who is who. That is why it is the Jehovah Yamasua. It is the gods of my forefather, the Lord of Lords, the Lord of hosts. He knows who is who. You can pretend to me through telephone call. My sister, I am praying for you. My sister, I am this for you. But you cannot pretend to my God. That is why I am telling my God to attack my attackers. Baba Beba, enter my family side, enter my father's side, enter my mother's side. Father, let there be mass burial. As many that vow they will never jealousy, without them knowing how I suffer, without them knowing what I'm going through. All they care is because if I cannot use her again, let me destroy her. May the ground open mouth and swallow them. May the ground open mouth and swallow them. Father, as big as large my family, Father, continue to search every heart of every of my siblings, every heart of my uncles, every heart of my aunties, of my mothers, of my stepmothers, of my relative, from my father's side, from my mother's side. Father, search their heart and strike them with death. You don't understand. You need to be angry in your spirit. You need to, they said that, those of you that go to church says that the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and the violent take it by force. You must be free. You must be what? Free. Baba Gbero. Don't try my God though. Please share this video. God bless you, my beautiful mommy. Oh, that's my blood sister. That is what we call Baba Gbero. No matter how rich they are, still want to, still wants you to be used. Exactly. That is the spirit of Pharaoh. They are Pharaoh of our time. Our siblings back in Africa, they are Pharaoh to we that are in diaspora. Take it or you leave it. But if you connected to the spirit of God, you will know that they are the modern Pharaoh. For that simple reason, God has said that our freedom is now. When you see them having grudges against you without you offending them physically, just know that they know if you use your head as they want. Exactly. Holy Ghost fire, we separate from them. Yes, amen. People does not watch this type, but if it is saga now, you will see thousands plus. My sister, this message is mine. Oh my God. Yes, that's another testimony in the building. We give glory to God. Yes, we the diaspora people, because we suffer, my people. We suffer. A lot of you today in diaspora, some of you drink urine just because you want to live, you want to have a greener pasture. Do you understand? A lot of you, when coming to Europe, those that travel by land, some of you drank urine. Another person urine. You even beg to drink it. Say, oh, I beg, bros. Peace for my mouth, I beg. Make my throat don't too dry, bros, I beg. Peace for my mouth. You understand? Many women were defiled. Many were raped. Many were beaten. Many were injured. Many left Nigeria with 2 eyes complete. As we speak today, they have 1 eye. Many left Africa with 2 hands and legs complete. But as we speak today, they have 1 hand. After all this suffering, after all these pains, many took that risk and crossed the Mediterranean Sea. You crossed that dangerous sea. Even many, shark ate them. Shark, he ate them. So those that God stealed by them and they cross, they survive. Without you putting it into consideration, how painful the sorrow, the trauma. Many today, they are going through trauma just because they are on their way to Europe. Those that travel by land. Many that took flights as well. It was the grace of God that their flight landed in Europe. It is not all who took that flight arrived safely in Europe, in advanced country. Many, their flights crash. They die. The few that survive. And you will say to yourself, because you are the present Pharaoh, you want to use them. And if they refuse, if they refuse to be used, and you say to yourself that, okay, now let's see how it goes, then God is going to cut off your head. Because those that go to church said that, suffer not the witches to live, rather for their head to be cut off. Now, suffer not the witches to live, rather for their head to be cut off. Some of them today, they have turned themselves to the King Nebuchadnezzar in the life of the diaspora people, or in the name of assemblies. They pretend they will start telling you, using Bible to deceive you, and of which they are the regular customer to all native doctors. It's only God I know. It's only church we are going, but no native doctor telephone number that is not on their phone. My diaspora people, wake up! Don't let them to buy you so cheap. Don't let them to brainwash you. And start praying against them. Anything that is making you not to be able to keep your private life here in abroad without you sharing it with them. Not be your juju be that. You live in advanced country. You will be sharing your private life to someone that is in Africa. And they are not even here. And you understand? They are not even here. They don't even understand the system. But you will not sell your life to them. And they will start managing it for you. I don't get it. You need to pray that anything that is making you, that is not making you not to keep your private life, because that thing will be disturbing your spirit. Call them, tell them, you must talk, you must talk. Let me tell you, witches are wizards. They walk through the information you gave them. My diaspora people, are we communicating? Are you listening to me? They walk through the information you give them. And I have discovered that many of you, it is not your fault. It is not your fault that you cannot keep your privacy without telling them, because your soul, your spirit has been bought somewhere. They buy your spirit. They buy your spirit somewhere. You think it's because of love. It is not love. You have been captured. Your soul has been locked up somewhere. You can't make decision without involving them. Sorrow. Sorrow. It has to end. It has to what? End. You need to pray. You need to pray. Any pots, any evil native chalk, they are be blowing upon your picture. Anything they created to represent you. Any of your family member that they have turned you to that extent that you don't have privacy without telling them first, without consulting them first, as if they are not the God that created heaven and earth. Today, mark it the end. You have to do it too. Do you want to be free? Okay. Are you ready to pay the sacrifice? Now. Oja, you have to do it. You have to be free. You have to be free. Oh, you are just speaking the mind of many people. Yeah, darling. Say Solomon, thank you, ma. Thanks so much for this, for this message today. Thank you, Richard, my love. Thank you, Vivian, my care. Thank you, ma. Thank you, mommies. Thank you, daddies. Everything that any girl, since you have been in Europe, any girl you dated, though, my brothers. You love the girl love you. You guys are dating, no problem, but the relationship is so sweet. You both are so like, let's marry now. You know, everything is so fine. Immediately the day you will call them in Africa and said, Mama, brother, sister, I think I'll find a girl I will marry, I love her. Immediately, that your girlfriend spoke with them in Africa, or you break that news to them, is always the end of the relationship. Church close. You don't even know how the problem will happen. All you can remember is, I told my family back in Africa that this relationship, the guy will just wake up from nowhere. You two will wake up from nowhere. The guy will say, hey, my brother, no, this relationship will not go anywhere. You yourself will be wondering. You will think it's a joke. It's a joke, it's a joke, it's a joke. The relationship is just dead and gone. My brother, you need to pray. You need to naked. Midnight, 12 o'clock. I am not a pastor. Listen, don't look at the messenger. Listen to the voice of the ancestors. You need to go and buy alligator pepper. Bros! You need alligator pepper for your house. What did I talk? Alligator pepper. You need that. You need alligator pepper for your house. Yes, you need. Yes, you need alligator pepper. Oh, yeah, run to Africa shore. Go and get yourself alligator pepper. Collect 7 alligator pepper. Put that for your palm. Put it on your left palm. This thing has been happening. It has been repeating itself. Always repeating and repeating. Any bound that bound both of you. Today, anything that they have used to represent you that you don't have your own secrets. Again, you are breaking it. After you pray, chew the alligator pepper. Don't swallow it. Throw it out. What did I say? Do not swallow it. Pray with the alligator pepper. Chew it. That you chew every of their nonsense. You chew it and you return it back to sender. Operation carry back your load. Do you understand me? If you do it continuously, do it, and go and buy garlic. If you know you are in diaspora, hold your ear very well. Go and buy garlic. Those of you that is always saying, hey, I don't like garlic. Garlic is smelling. You start liking garlic now. If you know you're in diaspora, you must like garlic. Go and buy garlic. Go and buy it. Make sure that garlic, take out of it, use it, peel it. Just take one, a little of it, take it, peel it. If you peel it, use that thing you use to scratch okra. Use it to scratch that your garlic. If you finish scratching it, put it inside bucket of water. Put that garlic inside that bucket of water. Take it to your bathroom and bathe with it. Every evil spirit, your siblings, your family members have captured your spirit, your soul. As you use that garlic to bathe, you disconnect your spirit from there. Bathe with it. Do it at night. Don't clean your body. Go to bed. What did I say? Do not use towel to clean it off. Leave it. Even if you are cold, bear it. Let it dry to your body. And under your pillow, go and put garlic under your pillow. What did I say? That garlic, peel it. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Let it be under your pillow. Leave it there. Gorotote pillow. Or put it there. Leave it there. Gorotote pillow. Put it under your pillow. They put your head to sleep. My people, if you are in diaspora, if you are not a powerful, strong prayer Christian that can kabash mazandaria bokoroko regede. If you cannot kabash like that, my dear, make sure you have up to 30 native daughters that are working for you. Very important. Very important. You see those people? Forming deputy governor of Jesus for you, pretending for you, you are their mugu. You are their mugu. All of them, no native daughter when they know they go. No native daughter when they know they go. Now that be the okay. But if you are talking to them for phone, they will be using Bible to form Christianity things for you. In other words, so that may you not work out for yourself. If you know you are not that strong in prayers and you live in diaspora, I beg of you, go and look for native doctor. Not be native doctor to keep person, you know. Because it's a jungle feed. Remember, it takes the brave to survive in the land of the jungles. It takes the brave with a brave heart. Those with a brave heart, it takes them to survive in the land of a jungle. If you like, take this topic for granted, take it as normal. It's your damn business. But those that are wise, they understand. Those I am happy that everybody is just collecting their message. Now that you are here, collect your own parts. Help them. But nobody have right to pressurize you. No have that right to pressurize you. That is why you see today in diaspora, the young people, they die. I understand you, my beautiful sister. God bless you. I am happy many people in diaspora are really collecting their own message. In diaspora today, you see the young people, they die not because the evil they did. No, because of too much of pressure. They have been pressurized. Ask yourself. Some of them today in diaspora, they will go and do what they don't supposed to do. I too much love you like never before. Oh, I love you most. Kisses to you all, my diaspora people. I love you all. We don't wise, my sister. Yes, so we move. Mommy, no, you know now. These are the Odonga. These are the people, you sure they have done it and done and dusted. Lovely topic. Hey, Mama Richie, guess there. My same birthday mate is in the building. Scorpio. Look at it this way, my people. You today, you are both 40-something years. But your last born, that is just 28, 29. She have 4 children already. She even have 5. Look at you today. Your first son, how old is your first son? Is your first son, is your first daughter, are they up to 18 years? No. Some of you, you are the first daughter of your family. You are the first daughter of your family. All your siblings in Africa, all their children, they are older than your own children. They senior your children far. Because of why? Because you sacrifice yourself, your life for them. Thinking that they will grow up to appreciate you. They will never appreciate you. Instead, they are going to insult you. They are going to call you, you are foolish. Yes. They are going to call you that you are foolish, you are not wise. They are going to see you like a moron. They have taken you for granted. They see you so senseless. My beautiful sister, how old are you today? You are almost 40. But your first child is just 11 years old. Hello? But your last born that is not up to 20 years, your last born first daughter is about to complete 18 years. Wake up. Wake up. You can never please everybody. God bless you, Mommy say. Solomon. Wake up. Stop it. Make your children your priority. Mama Tina. Good afternoon, ma. It is well. More grace. Hey, Mama Mency. How are you, Mommy? I love you. Please. Set your priority. Your children are your priority. Some of you today, you have children in Africa. Before coming to Europe, before going to America, up to today, you might view well like Webo. You could not bring your children to Europe. It's not because you don't have documents. It is not because you don't have work. You are working, but there is no chance for you. There is no chance for you. So-called family members, they have become a tummy of flesh. Your children are going to government school, but you are training your siblings' children in body school. Who is fooling who? Who is deceiving who, people? Diaspora people, wake up from your sleep before it's too late. I die no always come last. Igbavag be mine, no kaoma, no give Emma. Do you understand, my people? Are you seeing? Are you understanding it now? Think about it. You have your children in Nigeria, you gave birth before, but you are documented. You are in Canada, you are in America, you are in Europe, but you can't bring your children to Europe. It's not because you are not documented. It's not because you don't have a life contract, but so-called criminal, so-called Osama bin Laden, in the form of family members, in the form of relatives, they have sucked you. Some of them have straw in their mouth. They have sucked you, and your energy is exhausted. When are you going to start planning for your children? Is it when you are 90 years of old? When you are 90 years of age? When your bones are weak? When you are weak? When you are no more strong? When you are not that strong? When you are not that healthy? Tell me. But their children are in body school, and you are the one fulfilling all their bills. You are the one sponsoring all their bills. Every time they keep on scanning you, they keep on brainwashing you, they keep on using the common language. My sister, my brother, I am praying for you. My sister, I am wakaring for you. I am praying for you. It's a scam. Don't let those things get into your head. It's a scam. That's their normal Simon. In order to capture your soul the more. It's a scam. The very day you left Nigeria, have it at the back of your mind. There is nothing like love. There is nothing like love. They jealous, they envy. All they want to hear from you is a bad news. Take it or you leave it. All their love is fake. They pretend. They pretend so much that they mean well for you. It's a scam. Use your tongue to count your teeth. It's a scam. Stop telling them any good thing about your life. Stop telling them how God is blessing you. Stop telling them your plans of life. Don't let them know the plot of your land. That is why we have the government. Go and take a lawyer. Let lawyer be the charge of your properties. It is not wickedness. It is the reality of life. My diaspora people, wake up from your sleep. Wake up from your sleep. For how long? For how long will you continue sleeping? For how long are you going to be a slave to your family members? For how long? They don't have their managing. They will build the first house under your money, on top of your money. But you, that is sending them the money, you don't even have a plot of land. Come on. You are not married. You don't even have a child of your own. But every day you will rush to DHL. You will keep on sending goods. You will post things. But they have never for once asked you, brother, when are you going to get married? Brother, when are you going to have your child of your own? Sister, when will you get married? Sister, when will you settle down? Sister, when will you start giving birth to children? Even many of you, you have frustrated your man. You have left your marriage just because of those ungrateful Osama bin Laden that claim to be family relative. You are only hurting yourself. Immediately you dropped your call. From your back, they call you Mugu. They call you Mumu or Zuo. No mind now. Over Sabi. What by do say na you get money pass now. Wait till consign us. Go help a chopper. That is what they say. On our behalf, that is what they say. Over Sabi, no mind now. You want by do say me the person na go pass on your family. Okay now here we dey. That is it. It is what it is. It is what it is. But in your present, they will pretend, my sister, God bless you. Now, wow, if no you, our life will be. Anytime you call them in Africa, I want you to be very smart. Listen to the kind of prayer they pray for you. Listen to the kind of prayer they pray. Listen to the kind of prayer they prayed. But if you are a smart person, you will know. But if you are not a smart person, you will not know. Listen, their prayer goes like this. God will still do your, he go do my children. Prayer of jealousy. Jealousy spirit. God will still do your, he go do my children. He go do my children. He go do my children. It's only the smart, it's only the wise people that understand all these. And you will be foolishly from diaspora be saying amen, amen, amen. Are you not hearing the sound of spirit of jealousy speaking to you? God will do your he go do my children. My children go better pass you. My children, as if you are into competition with them. And you are not into any competition with anybody. Jealousy spirit. They envy you. They jealousy you. I want you to know this diaspora people. Take it or you leave it. The very day you left Nigeria, that's the day you become a target. Exactly. That is the day you become a target. Be very careful. Some of you that still go to Africa and still be living your life, I don't care. I pity you in advance. I pity you. Be careful. Be careful. We don't quarrel, but be very wise. Me, for many years, I stopped eating from my siblings' houses. It's not because we are quarreling. We don't quarrel. We are very sweet. It is called wisdom. Anytime I'm going to their house, I have to go with my own water. If I'm going, I will have my gala inside my car. Yes. If you know my la weko, waiting no enter belly, no go kill your head. Life na HQ. Since I've been in Europe, everybody's a suspect. Be very smart. This is my family member. This is my relative. I want to entrust my land, your business that worth billions of naira, billions of millions of naira. I want to give it to them. Let them be controlling it. Let them hand over it. My sister, my brothers, you are endangering your life. You are bringing more problem to yourself because you know why? If you are not careful, yes. Remember, money is the root of all evil. My diaspora people, it is time for you to wake up from your sleep. Go and get yourself lawyer. Don't tell them anything about you. Don't give them your information. It does not mean that you have quarrel with them. No, you are not quarreling with them. You people are in a good thing. You love them, but love them from afar. Don't reveal too much about your progress today because they are all jealous of you. You are no more in Nigeria, have already caused them that jealousy. They are not seeing you suffering. They don't see you hawking tomatoes. They don't see you going to farm anymore. They don't see you begging to eat anymore. That has already given them jealousy in their spirit. Already they are jealous of you, but they are only pretending. Do you understand? And again, you will still carry yourself and be telling them and be sharing your progress, all the good things. Hey, come on, guys. Do you think me that is not posting my houses, my lands, my businesses, me that is not posting them on social media, do you think I'm a mugu? Because they are all on our friend list with their fake accounts. Do you understand? With their fake accounts, they monitor you. They see what you do. Do you understand it now? You have to follow them with wiseness. Any of your company, don't post it on social media. That does not mean you don't have it. You don't need to prove any point to them. But for your betterment, for your safety, don't post anything of your progress. Don't show it to them on Facebook, because you will think, my family members, they are not on my friend list. You lied. They are on your friend list through fake account. If you think they don't know how to read and write, their children that know how to read and write will help their father, will help their mother to open fake accounts in order to monitor you. My broad people, use your wisdom. Use your HQ. Life now sense. Do you understand? Be careful. God bless you, Mama Pat. That is why all you need to do, get yourself a lawyer. That is what I did. Right from day one I entered Europe. That is why we have the government there. Get yourself a lawyer. Have your personal lawyer. Entrust all your property into his hand. You are paying the lawyer every month. He or she, excuse me, your lawyer, he or she will be managing all your properties. He will be managing all your company. If tenants are in your house, your lawyer will give them your accounts. Whenever your tenants pay their yearly rent, you will get their alerts through your own phone here in Europe. Wisdom, my people. Wisdom. Wisdom. I want to entrust it into my family relative hands. Problem must come. Problem will come. Because once they are collecting the rentage, they are going to use it to eat. And if you ask, they go follow their entire body. And they are going to do it purposely. And secondly, do not build a house and give one of the flats to your family relative to stay. Don't do it. It is not wickedness. It is called security purposes. Don't make that mistake. A lot of people have made that mistake. They are regretting it tomorrow. Do not allow anybody that is related to you, be it close family member, extended, far, anything that got to do with family, father side, mother side, do not let them to enter any of your flats. Don't do it. Instead, if you feel you want to help them, give them money to go and rent somewhere else outside.